Hello, welcome back, and in this video I'm just gonna talk about a quick update from my previous video. So remember I said that I'm gonna be working on Dark Venus, right? Dark Venus strategies. So check this out. $2,000 deposit capital, total net profit 626, profit factor 1.51, 72% win rate, drawdown 4% maximum drawdown. However, X3 drawdown maximum was 27%, which means it peaked at 27%, I believe, at one point while floating drawdown. So we need to get that down to 20 or below. So I just need to work on how to get this drawdown below 20, around 20 or so, and that way it's going to meet my 5 check criteria for backtest. And yeah, so far this is looks promising. And by the way, this is 100% quality data from Dukas copy based on real ticks here. Look, real ticks. This is the best quality, most realistic backtest we're looking at. Having said that, this is, by the way, 1 year period, because this is the free data set that we got from Tick Story, which allows 1 year only. Having said that, past results are not indicative of future performance, as we all know. So, but still, if backtest looks good, that's the next logical step to put it on a demo. But before we do that, I just want to sort this drawdown if I can. It has to go about 20 or below floating drawdown, which I'll be happy with. So that's the update for this for today. Actually, I'll see how I go. I might do some more testing later on, and if I come up with some result, something nice, I'll probably do another video. That's the update for now anyway. So this is like what, 31% gain in a single year, which is good. I'll take that any day on gold. But as I said, we need to get this down, this equity floating drawdown. So this was an update to my ongoing challenge, which I'm running right now. It's 100 to 1 million automated trading challenge. So my goal is to grow $100 capital to 1 million with automated trading strategies, and I'm sharing all my actions and steps in a step-by-step way, just like this video. So if you're interested to learn more or even participate yourself, it's completely free. You can go to 100-1m.com and you can register. I said it's totally free. I'm sharing all my actions and steps, and basically documenting everything. I'll also put a link in the description. Thanks for watching.